Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix low volume issue in Samsung Galaxy S25. If you're using Galaxy S25 and you're facing low volume issue with your phone, so let's see how can you do that or how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your settings app. Once you are in settings, just go to sound and vibrations. The very first thing I recommend you have to make sure that your device is not connected to Bluetooth or it's not connected to any other device, because sometimes it might be that when your Bluetooth is connected to any other device, your sound moves through that device. So I recommend you have to turn it off. Once I disable your Bluetooth, go back, click on this volume option and maximize your media volume from here, or you can also maximize all the volume setting from here. Then click on these three dots at the top right, click on media volume limit, and you can disable limit from here. You can also enable this limit and you can maximize it up to 100 decibel. So once you have done, just go back from here. Here you might also get sound quality and effects. Click on it, and here in equalizer you can select any most volume dynamic from here. So let's say I want to select passports, so it have its own settings. You can also see, you can also customize or select custom from here, and then you can customize your equalizer as you want. And then you have another setting which is adapt sounds. I recommend you have to disable this from here, and you can also disable loudness normalization. So basically it happens when you might see or you might get any loud sound in your phone, it will normalize it. So I recommend to turn it off to get a better or a loud sound in your phone. So in this way you can easily fix if your volume is low in your Samsung Galaxy S25. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.